Welcome to yet another episode of Pass and Move, your number one soccer podcast in the land. There is none that follows. We are the best of the best. Proudly brought to you by Benaya Foods, as always. This week, we are Chisa Agudlara. There's so much action in the Premier Soccer League. Ebafazini, good Division 1. And we welcome back Wasto from from the terraces. Wasto offer
Futhi aseshavu.
Machisa.
Hambani.
Khambani. Members imthethe ehlathini.
Yeah, bengu-sabbatical.
Namhlanje sibuye la.
Ubusabbatical.
Bengu-sabbatical.
Ubuye ku-East. Usalikhumbula isikhumbuzo ukhodlile.
Belethuzana nazo.
Uyakuthuzana
Belethuzana nazo, but hayi. Ngike ngakholisa ama-games adlaliweyo, ama-results. Mengikhona lenza ama-predictions noma-Chisa. Hayi liyayitshaya into yenu.
Wathi ayitshasa ngakabamba imali emoya.
Bathi babambisile abantu.
Abathi selibabambile.
Bara bathi bebambile.
Abasebefile ngemali.
Kumele siyoyitshasa
Vele engakafaki itikiti lakhe eqale ubukela i-episode eyi-1 ethi ukwenza uMachisa sithi so hayi vele isikoleni siphuma sinjalo.
Bara itikiti lami lifile nje. Ngamfakile emozi sithi make sure
Layani.
hayi platinum change.
Disappoint.
Ngutshele man.
Hayi mana siyayibamba kuphela.
But anyways, let's get the ball rolling, gents. There was so much drama, so much activity over the weekend, both on the women's side, lasemajideni, laku Division 1. Siqale ebafazini Tobi.
Siqalise bafazini la.
Ngone
Island winile phela.
yalenda final.
Idlale maningi.
Final.
Maningi ngizothi maningi wathi. Ngizothi ibikhuluma kakhulu isithi hayo niyabahle.
Imaningi. Yalenda bengakabile winner.
Bengakabi first win yabo le.
Kubo mama.
First win yabo ngomama.
But I'm worried ngebhola labafazi yawazi.
Kunzima ngapha uyabona hlangana labo khweke kuthiwa i-fixture wabona i-fixture entshwa 1 hour before i-match. Abantu beyabusese dressing room phela.
Kwenzakalani ebafazini? Because into
namazwisisi because nge-1 hour phela besese dressing room selitshintsha selimeleli home up. But ungabona sokuthiwa change of venue selitshintshile selise-ground loba kuthiwani. Even lawo uyagcina usithi akuyenzi lo.
we're not taking ibhola labafazi serious.
Yeah. I think labadala bankhona ababona into zabafazi hayi abayenzi lutho.
Adanti kubhodi kulo mama lwana. Ngakhangela i-offer yabo mama kani.
Bacheka.
But the way abayirana ngakhona uyabona kuyafana kathesi ama-fixtures amadoda abesephumile like lamuhla but abafazi awusekuwabone lamuhla.
Ngabe yaziwa i-team.
Ungazi le result
Lama-results.
uyibone uveke asomele ubudinga umuntu odlalileyo.
In this day and age.
Imagine so many this day so easy ukuthi abantu bethule ama-results.
Poster, i-PSL kumele iposte la
Uyabona.
nje.
Into
Ama-fixture
ezingazwakali
lama-results
zabafazi.
on time.
Yabo.
Kutsho ukuthi there is either mismanagement or ayiprioritizwa
I think
i-league.
Remember last time besikhala nge-sponsor.
Sponsorship,
Because ungacheka like the game in question. Ekhwekhwe le-Raiders. They're supposed to play ku-B Arena e-National Sports yaba. Andu uyakwazi ukuthi betrainela khona. Bagame kumele dlalelwe kwabaphandle. Then 1 hour before i-game so twice i-cancel. So mele bedlalela change of venue. So mele bedla ikhwekhwe yahle yathi hayi.
Asikwenzi.
Siyenze phela. Abekhwekhwe bahle.
Quickly travelile phela. Travelile.
Yabo. So kuya ukuthi ungacheka nxa ucheka even ilog yakhona yabafazi. Uyabona ukuthi kule manje asedlala 3, kule idlala 1, kunamanye adlala 2. So that inconsistency.
Ngoba le-social media ina kwabafazi.
Balayo sibili because the issue
yankhona yokuthi wonke umuntu ebe up to date ngama-players. Uyabona like every week sibe kwathi i-player le kudlalwe njani kuyenziwe so
abayitreat like amajita endlela elokhu zayo. Because the issue the statement sibili iZimbabwe Women's Soccer League but failure to fulfill fixture rentals le Khwekhwe lokuzeni Khwekhwe United. The Zimbabwe Women Premier Soccer League regrets to advise the stakeholders. None of my stakeholders
Batsho thina.
But I only use Tenera. Utshele baba.
benze njalo.
bekhuluma ngegame la
So unprofessional.
it's so
Yeah,
If the international boards are looking at it, we are trying to support and boost women's football, and makukuthi see treated like this. As well as totally
because
recognition.
imagine kubo CAF uma ihlangane labo Sundowns ihlangane labo bani uyabona into nje
You get-
Morocco labana ama team lana
Check.
ngale ama serious teams adlala kuma serious stadiums
check
So,
speak about that Machisa
uyabona
bencheck ama-ground adlala abafazi kebengena ama-net pro
uyabona,
i-ground
proper
ayidwetshwanga
Iskwakho.
ayidwetshwanga nje 18 area uyiboni isentela yena awuyiboni ugezile
Yeah.
awumele bebe
kodwa kulo mama lothiwa umildred maswinge u-administrate kumele sibabhalele incwadi sibatshele
Hayi.
because we need to fix ibhora because ibhora amadoda yeli ihamba i-direction le abafazi ihamba i-direction le
Yeah.
akuyenzi
Akuvuki.
asidonseni
time
ingawani
kuyafana nje nabafazi kule CAF
ikhona ikhafe abafazi
ikhafu ikona ikhafu yabafazi and ngale kwakudlalwa kuthiwa udlala
ezigwagweni hayi proper grounds
grounds uyabona uyabo so yikho phela basebedliwe etheni sesiqalisa ukuthi abafazi wathi but uqalisela
grassroots
so abantu
same le issue lana engikhuluma ngayo but it's a different issue now eyabo Michael Nis okuya ngale bechiya
Beshiya la.
you understand so let's fix izinto zethu grassroots level
Yeah,
first
yeah,
before we
yeah.
move on to
Ezinye izinto.
mdala ngeke uye ku serious things ngapha
kumele kuthiwa badlalele eBF uyabona
You understand?
kube yibo abakhethe
at least
bejayela iground liyani ilevel yabo
even bengakhethenrezanga tu nxa ibhosi idlala ngesandi bona bedlala Saturday it makes sense
kwenzela ukuthi kukhanye not ukuthi masusiya ukafu so uyabona hayi difference
Inkulu kakhulu,
uyabona
baba wow bayethuka
no Arsenal yabo
Nabo Chelsea.
yabo Chelsea Barcelona uyabona ukuthi
Leli libhola.
dala vele sebe sesihambe kakhulu sesingalo ungacheke South Africa they play in proper pitches thina ngabe ufudlala umuntu akula net net
manje South Africa develop fast uyabona
Bo mama
ngabana bale passion for into yakhona khanya bakhulunywa kwazwakala into mama hayi
Basi badlasela bogogo.
thina like ithi kukhona but into eshota yi-administration
exactly
how we administer
I-seriousness yabo,
seriousness
yeah.
yakhona how we take care of our football there's a
I think also like my teams, the administration on the team side, not just the league side,
They're not
but
that-
my teams. Wow, foot.
but
Now
it
they
rubs
should
off
try.
worst it rubs off
Yeah, it does rub off. But like my
from
teams
the
now,
top going down
yeah. If EKCS Stadium change, was it the soccer league or it was the team?
check ungachecka ikese
Ukuthi change stadium.
incwadi lana nje ikhona i-continue sekibala phanga continue to advise our stakeholders that is a WPSL league match between the Renters and Kwekwe United which was scheduled to be played izolo Saturday 24 April and at National Sports BR Arena did not take place. Zimbabwe Women Premier Soccer League awaits an official report official
So this is the team here fault here this time around.
no
but wena anti ama-fixture mayephuma
iphuma le ground yabo
so wona akumelanga i-team ithi hayi thina sisakwanisi 1 hour before vele because labana sebe-arrangile batravel
Batravel.
from Kwekhe bekwazi ukuthi bayadlala
probably try last minute venue change besomele eTomlinson Depot ama-team aseground ikhokhe ehlata ayenzi
akuyenzi because ifike la ningi yabo so kumele betshintshe amalokuzenini arrangement sebesiyakhona ngale
because bona abekhokhi bahle bathi i-stadium lesana besingayenzi unfit to host unsafe actually to host a soccer match ndoda you cannot play lack of proper goal nets absent pitch markings and not technical area designations uthi coach
Bama
you get so I think bona bebesharp
Yeah, but
right
so that was it at least kuma results ngapha kithi i-Ireland as uTopi is saying iwinile
got their first win.
but ilokhu yabo lokhu ime njalo i-correctional service lokhu number 1 ulandela iChapungu Queens number 2 then Platinum Royals number 3 the only team eseduze lathi ngapha Impopoma Lokuzeni Academy la Imposa yoku number 5 so ngingazi njengoba singakatholi ama-results ayizolo but
Garisi 2 out of 2.
bekuyi-2 out of 2 i-correctional le-9 points 3 out of 3. Moving on from elabo mama lathi kuyagcina ngani sesikhala kakhulu because there are always problems week in week out. Sesikhohle ukukongratulate phela umember uzabulawa ama-congratulations every week. Congratulations.
30 games.
Congratulations. Isisifiso athi mina vele mina you know I'm Bulawayo Chiefs fan vele ngiyabemfundile wine wonke. Mina I'm a ninja, proper ninja. Ngiyabemfundile wine wonke. The continued nge-1-0 babulala ama-1-0
bese beyibambe njalo. Ukuyibambe njalo.
Enye uya izabulawa ezi. Enye suni sizothabula i-5.
But congratulations to Bulawayo Chiefs again. Iwinile 1-0. Good Southern Region. I like ukuthi isishape njani as we predicted ukuthi it will be maybe a 2 or 3 horse race between Bulawayo Chiefs le Iwange after it draw yabona ibulela umkhokheli 5. Yabona they're making a statement. Lani selisiza ukuthi you are now feeling it ukuthi the television ichime line 6 abathiba serious. I like how the league is shaping up ku Southern Region about Division 1. Ibulawayo Chiefs ayikadliba, they've won all 3 ngama 1-0 1-0 1-0. Badli iBoso 90 for in contest for those that do not know ukuthi bebedlala lana.
Bebedlala eBoso 90.
Badli iBoso 90 1-0. Then we've got amanye ama results whereby iWange la idlize eBrand Revolution 5-0. Then my former teammate who's now coaching Black Rock. Congratulations Mtholese. First 3 points. First 3 points. Black Rock they were bottom on the log. But it shows ukuthi maybe is doing something right.
Khona ngale njengomuntu oyithethe iphakathi anjabona
uthathele iphakathi.
You understand games la
uyabe sabona bona.
Garisi senze njani?
Standing secansile la embisha.
Grind nama results.
So the top 3 kulokhu laphana Southern Region nithi Soccer Division 1 kule Bulawayo Chiefs on top followed by iWange on 7 points. Then there is Kesmine on 6 points. Then the rest they follow.
Qathekile ngiyoqa.
Hayi athi siyazibona vele i-top division akafiwa
Usubona da.
Abale chance promotion.
Then kulale ngapha yipi le Beitbridge eBugwanda Central Region. I was disappointed ungozo bencane ngce le Gwanda Pirates bathatha 3 points ngadliwa amapolice
Gwanda izetherapy.
Badliwa izetherapy. Badliwa izetherapy Gwanda.
Yeah.
Idepi yebo kufiwa.
But icheat.
Sebesayiphe kakhulu ku social media.
Plus lena iliyani team adichoni nya ikuleague yani experience yabo balenengi kuleague. Laba nje ona khona beqalisa ogwana. Okunye bazakwanisa ubebe wina okunye uzakubahlula along the way.
But ngendlela ungoza beku structure ngayo Tobi. Bekungani ba serious.
Bona ba serious. It's just a step back but bona ba serious. Khona ukuthi sometimes idepe leyawazi ama depe nje.
And then check Central Region and i-Central Region ama-team awudlalwa. We've got former Premier Soccer League teams amaningi.
Anjawona. Abo Chapungu. Kathesa njawonti anjawonti. Yafiwa nje. Isheshama ngi.
La vela ku Premier League.
Vela Premier League.
Kaba fubuyela very fast.
Anjawona.
Iwinile isheshama.
Apha draw kula ifuna ubuyela fast. Ifuya kona fast.
Kanti iya draw ku yabo izathiwa is strong side.
Is the strong side.
Ngiyabona i-team le.
I-team le kathi siyabulaba uMagaya. Ufana uMagaya.
Le Central Region. Iya draw.
3 games 3 wins.
Awuqinile vele. Qinile kakhulu. Central Region. Hayi Central Region kuyahanjwa.
Disebule competition.
Ngale but bo Eastern hayi Eastern ulabo FC Hunters ngamabizo wana but ye top of the
yephezulu ekadliwa vele.
Try Eastern ngale sebedlala bayiba baqalisana
I think sebedlale 4
sebedlala 4 sebedlala 4 ngale kuyasheshwa
i-Hunters yakhona is on top of that side.
ayilaluzi kubuye Buffaloes yakuyafika kodwa ziningi ezelo
kule Tongogara futhi kanti Tongogara lamathema mangaki
eTongogara ngenye I think i2 i2 yani ngeza amasotsha lezi
so ikhona ngapha la
ikhona ku-Central
ikhona
futhi ngale
ku-Eastern.
ku-Eastern ngibona ukuthi itongo ikhona ngapha la kulo kulena le lokhuzeni Eastern region FC Hunters ephezulu ade le Buffaloes le Tenaks i-top 3 yakhona Eastern region then kula le Northern region I know the region le team le ka Scott le imombe ayadla nje shama 4-4 but bayibambile ngeweekend but they are still on top
with 7 points
le 7 points they're still on top idrawile 2-1 ye kuno the region kule Mombe yaora Chinoy the Pem izezingane zi-serious and it's well contested 7 points 6 points
kuyafika lakho khona
ama-early days but at least
ishape
yabo sibona ukuthi
izinto zihamba
njani
serious uhamba yibi
then that's it for division 1
football
amathephu angikhona
right ayikabile ama-problems i-division nabo la ukhofa
so far
so good
ikhulela i-Premier League speaking about i-Okova yacile be-release i-PSL yacile release i-press statement
ekwekhwela
but they've been summoned for i-disciplinary hearing ukuthi bezwe ukuthi how far bababhalele incwadi
abafayinanga
hayi impumela e-hearing yakho but mbona into ebuhlungu kakhulu u-owner weKwekwe United awuyakhala nje awucelile awukhulume I think kumele kuzwile
ucela ama-sponsor abantu bencedise laba
uthi abantu abathiwa nguFrancis Tabagaza
khona kunzima ibhura linzima usponsor ndothi uyi-1
ngithethe ukuthi emonth utsho mna ukuthi bafuna 40,000
yeah it's quite a lot
proper
40K
for ukuthi
wonke umuntu nganaso mbinga serious
anjye yawo because uyabuya u-1 phela bana imagine kumele uholise abantu kumele utravel kumele belala endaweni esharp behole into zangikhona uyi-1 vele awulasta
uyapontsha Premier League
uyapontsha ndo ngaba abafana bafuna ama-win bonus babe drawile khayela lesi badrawile lidena mos iphenduka babe befuna ibonus ye-draw ndo uyi-1 ndoda vele
iligate I think kumele be lama-grant for
for maybe team ayingena kube le-certain amount abayiphayo yona
because njengoubone egoli ozithiwa i-team yaphiwa 3 million a month
anjiyabona
ama-grants ukuthi teams i-allocate i-PSL ilama-grants allocated understand
to avoid into zona lezi
because ngale is more professional you know ukuthi kulabo TV rights kulani ngapha bona ukuthi
ama-TV rights maybe vele imali
wasungcono lapha kule DStv but now we need to take that direction I think i-direction onqobile magwizo umuntu ayabancedisa ngayo
sekumele betshintshe njengoba besithi bafuna into zibe professional
and national broadcast they must be paying something to ama-clubs yabo for ama-TV rights because you don't just acquire ama-TV rights ungabhadali
vela kuyenza
yabo ukwazi khona ukuthi DStv Super Sport iyabhadala
ikhipha something
towards
because they benefit bona a lot
ngoba yibo abadlala yithi esibukela
exactly
yabo then lama-advertisers and sponsors you get a lot because ibhora le-traction eningi so yinto i-direction I think eZimbabwe omele sizama ukuthi siyayilwela because i-team nxa isihle fulfill ifix i-Premier Soccer League awupendi
haro ZTN boke bekhona
i-ZTN
yokukhipha ama-game
amboni ukuthi yakhipha ngingazi on their Facebook
but so far it's only
ZBC
so yelama-rights ngingazi ukuthi bona i-deal yangikhona how did they structure
because i-ZTN yayikhipha u-DStv
ku-channel yabo
ku-channel yabo
social but Karis I don't think
ama-doubt
amboni ukuthi
ZTN
bakhipha that was ilokhuzeni ishuka somlo wekhwekhwe awakhale kakhulu
Awukhalile
lesobazamuza
wahle wacela la ukuthi
Awu right nje.
mabhele masokunzima cela
akulenye
awula ngenye option because at the end of the day i-team leyani yabilokhu istruggle more wena lokhu usithi hayi pride but at least maybe uyathola ama-sponsors njengoba this week badlalile bahambile awukhalwanga
asikwazi ukuthi
but ukuthi sokungcono
ukuthi ngabe sokungcono
maybe bayenze something
ayi ngoba akuyenzi nje hayi bese ungasayenzi
ngabona
sesikhale kakhulu
siguqa phansi ndoda icela ndoda
Udama
impinga nje udama nje
wagucela amajito edama
ama-results Premier League
match day 8
match day 8
okay
andikukaseni Friday
kase Friday
yes
Greenfield
i-Greenfield ibidlale i-Rentals bi-home iwinile 1-0
and i-Greenfield biku-4
ndoda ukuhlosa ubenza umfanakhe uthini obenza
alona vele uyahlupha kodwa uthi uyagijima yahlupha so yilokho
gijimela ubabakhe
i-Greenfield ye-Rentals wanothi
yeah
bezikhodlele le-result le bedlale Friday
idlale Friday
uba libhejana zabe
ulisabile
fisa yakubula zikuba kule game
Friday
Saturday
was bekule i-FC Platinum bidlale Triangle United. FC was home and they drew 1-1 yale lichayisi leli
yani mina nje i-Platinum
straight win
barisho mina ukuthi uyacoacha nje
because two games
4 points
serious away ndoda ulokuzenini ezishawana uyophuma le draw uhlohle ezishawana I think ngiyoqalisile uhlohle ezishawana
willithi
akule nyadi
quite a good result for Mangombe and his Triangle United. Then moving on to Manica Diamonds, they hosted Chicken Inn and they drew again 1-1.
elikile ama-draw
kona bibilita phela le Manica la
ABC we are from BIA Chicken Inn. Nice one from the Gamecocks. And then Iata lost to Capes United.
ngathini ngamcoacha bamcojile
ubani
uchitem ubo
sebemxotshe hayi
hamba wayekhona
bathi bampa 2
bamnika 2 games kwangani sebesithi
uchapa because u-assistant owade besithi bafumi lethu Ian Bakala la wayekhona ebukeli ubebukela igame le so ngawukuthi bona bathi bafuna ukumfaka nje la ebekhona ku-technical
so Chitembe bamtrust
so ngenxa yokuthi Chitembe bafuna umhambisa so uBakala ngenjani
yaba ngu-assistant
uzaba
just beefing up
i-technical
benje bamcoach umember
umcoacha
it's a good result for iCaps
abesokunzima imagine ngabadrawilo badliwe guys baya away ku-Caps yabona ukuthi vele kuthiwa kuyini kwi-Platinum so i-result le ibifunakala
ibaposte kancane
at least
ibifunakala liyaphefumula
And then another one that played on Saturday was the Tail One against Endala Highlanders. They drew once again 1-1.
But it's good for them.
For them, especially away. I think away it's a good result.
Against
the confidence yabilokhu njani yakhwela uzabona BF so bayabuyela abantu
ngani bayiqualize futhi
bayiqualize yayilokhuza la for confidence I think so kusharp man
azimbone something ngeHighlanders hayi team yathandiwa lo
akakhulu
eGweru it was black and white bro I think now owners kuma players the technical team
but
to
fans they are rallying
to repay support support
and they really need the league lawo
ndoda mbone igame eDynamos
ndoda
lekhwekho
ndoda bongela ivini
mu so
70 bade
yabona
incoach ungakhayela ama results eDynamos the Highlanders but ubusucheka i-support base it tells a different story nge-Highlanders it's really lovely
uyabona iDynamos vele nxa ama results engabuyi so awona labana abasafuni ama-supporters afuna ungabona sokuhamba maybe abantu abambalwa emajineri ufaro ndo
their home ground.
ndoda vele
Kalokhana akwenziwa ukuthi Omos they are doing well. Ungachecka because Omos ngenotoni. Partly vele yabuka ukuthi
Harare anyway.
Mos is doing well. They will garner support.
yeah, but uyabona i-team njenge-Dynamos I think is now goes to ukuthi ama-supporters maybe they are fed up maybe ngabantu be-executive maybe they are fed up ngabantu so khathesi sebefuna ukutshengisela ukuthi thina njani
We have the power.
you have the power thina ezi-supporters so thina e-ground asibuyi ngoba to be honest o-Dynamos ama-team amakhulu and abantu balanjani ethi hathi team yawo yona so ungabona ukuthi sengasahambi vele stadium tsho ukuthi kule something wrong
Because we can't say yes iScotland sayibona ukuthi ithetho team ofela
ingathatha yende
but iScotland nxa idlala home uyabona ukuthi ama supporter eDynamos the Caps aphuma ezo supporter the other team edlala so we cannot say it iScotland bathatha abaningi
vele abakayithandi iScotland abaningi.
Now what makes them not to go a ground based support Dynamos?
That's why ngikutsho ukuthi say that they are protesting ukuthi hayi junior management into eliyenza because abasayinanga phe yabo abayenzangani vele abafana bebengaholi la bekhala abafana bengafuni ke training stuff so I think bona sebefuna ukuthi akutshintshwe something phezulu yabo
but you cannot change i-team yomnikazi iDynamos phela ifana leyalenzi
yomphakathi
aso yomphakathi
bona ukuthi bona basebejothi ngiyabo la
aso yomphakathi
tambale lo mdala wabe wabajezele coach who is the owner of iDynamos umdala lo
tambale kade uMarion
wabajeje ayi team lengiyama amaphepha nawo this is my team awuna nto engayenza i-team yankhaya he's got the majority shareholder of that team that's his team so uyabukhalela
so vele ngeke umkhiphe because team yakhe
so moving on now to ama games that played on Saturday. The final that played on Saturday was Kariba taking on Scotland, another draw 0-0.
It was obvious
another draw.
So ubonile that article
mbonile usona ama problem
already
abantu bakhuluma vele abantu bekhala watching comment section abantu bedlala bekhala besithi hayi Scotland yenu leli zabo
environment lana yenza inzima to maintain.
Are they pressured to win? They've got cream de la cream.
That's the problem.
You can't very half of those guys they play for the Zimbabwe national team.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
They cannot be complaining.
Ngikutsho ukuthi yabona
awundiraya laphana is
either problem ukuthi nanjani i-team lana mayi ngendlela abayasebula ngayo la awunyeke ukuthi ufuna kube ama-nucleus uhluhle khonapho phela kuvumi kumele ngiqwathe ndoda kube le oneness because endaweni enjalo njengokuthi nxa ungela oneness omunye uyabe ufuna ukudlala atsho omunye ufuna ukudlala lo yabona akusela lokwana ukuthi wena uperforme njani wonke umuntu sefuna kube njani environment lana so icina sokulenzondano vile maybe lo mnikazi ufuna ukudlala ubani omunye coach ufuna ukudlala ubani omunye executive ufuna yabo so manje environment enjalo hayi result ayibuyi
uthi coach
yabo
uyagcina liswela ukuthi limplement njani because ucoach uyabumtshele wathi uBilliard Melala uPeter Melala
anjho yabona mina as a coach ngiyabona ukuthi but uBilliard igame le angeke kwanisa ukumdlalisa
but kodwa ingane
but ngale ungayekela umfaka mina iresult ibibad ngithe ufaka lo uyabona into enjengazwa lezi so kunzima vele
are struggling
wesingali tonga eKariba ndo kale vele
manje bawina nga cause eRufara bawina
awumele bewine ndo
eRufara bawina still badraw nje
awadi crowd
and then enye game edlaliwe was iBikita Minerals taking on Ngezi, another draw 1-1.
This was a fair
result.
Away to Bikita.
But Bikita sivukile uyayibona.
Bikita is collecting point. Kancane.
Soon
big guns foot.
Yeah.
Abadleki ku home. Abadleki that.
Home lami sengirealize ukuthi hayi.
Lama I've come to realize something. Ama team amaningi ku home adleki.
It's not easy. home
So
yabo.
kufanele that culture.
That is why we're having so many draws.
Yeah.
I think in total, about there was only one winner
Yeah, Caps on.
out of 8 games.
The rest were draws. About 1-1. And this score like
Okay.
the maximum you could go was 1.
Out of
So imagine Wednesday. Yeah,
mana sizi fixture uda fixture lokuze
Or ngiqedisa some results. Game of the weekend, I think it was Simba Bora against Moors. Another draw. 0-0.
my team ale ngawutshela
I
this was
really-
we say
Yeah, you said
true.
this one we say
said true, yeah.
I said because of the quality of the
Quality,
team
yeah.
yakutshela number 1 number 2
Number 1, number 2.
kuloko
Manje uthi very win or draw
but it's a good result for
them.
Imo's.
Imo's obvious
Imo's.
away.
Yeah, it's a good
Away,
result for
right?
Imo's.
for
Yeah.
them,
Because
Yeah.
Jay, I was telling you what Imo is a well coached side, bro.
Yeah.
Kanyela ama results awathola kuma big guns even home.
Abona Imo's ukuthi yena yayenza right. Iculture yabo home bawin. They collect ama-points.
And they kept their Jay, team lena ayithenga
ayithenga abantu bane
unlike their counterparts Scotland.
Bona
Abantu-
they just boosted maybe about 6 players.
Bathi ugore ukhipha lana
Yabamba. Nje
Jay.
ukuthi usihambile maybe 16
Yeah.
Ngayimdele
usosho 1 goal.
7 8 games.
Nanti uyabona ukuthi plus ku 8 games wadlala ngaphela enye la.
So udlale 7.
Usedlale 7 games.
6 clean sheets.
6 clean
Yeah.
sheets. Yabo.
Is a good goalkeeper. Ngayimdelele uDynamo. Dynamo ukhipha Dynamo akuthi Dynamo.
Dynamo.
Martina Pisa.
Maphisa
Akuvele Spain ndoda imagine.
uyabamba nje uthi hayi sesave.
Sebambile.
Ukhona kusquad
Good good
third choice.
Ngisecond.
Second
No
national team.
Second choice.
I think ngiyolandela uArubi la. Anti yawazi ngalo yakwanisa uba second choice ungabuya omunye ukuthi nguyi first ulokhu njani.
Second.
So it's fair lwana uthi abekhona ku squad.
Hayi is doing well.
Chipezi zemela ngene be first choice. Arubi second. Maphisa third. Go right. Go right. Ababisa uChipezi phela he is the only goalkeeper that is doing.
Anti yambona uFando la ubuya with the atoms kaChipezi in a way.
But ungacheka all right the man mfake enye debate nje encane maybe 2-3 minutes ekamapeza la lokho isicontinue ungacheka from the results ama goals ku PSL akuhlohlwa nje
Akuhluza sathi maybe kule ma defender.
yona uhlala uargument yakho umapeza wabona something
But
ngendlela
but
mina
vele
ngibona
I think number 9 bashota vele eAfrica vele.
Yeah, hlala igame.
no but mina this I will always because ngiyakwazi ngeke iphele vini amna nizahlala ngala nje yakwazi ukuthi icreate yazi abantu babapasa ama pinpoint take for instance uJohannes Ngozi
Uyalifaka uthinta kuphela.
nje kuzenzo that wayehlohla 20 ngehalf season
Yeah. Abe kuthinta.
nje kulabantu abakwanisa ukuthi bekubhasa ibhola ukuthi ungakhutha uyaxothwa eteamini I hardly see that eZimbabwe
Akathi
so-
some chances there are few.
I hardly see
So when you are putting on our midfielders, we are lacking
don't have creative midfielders serious like serious
because we're saying what we have good defenders.
I want to say
I would go with the narrative
You
yokuthi
can-
ama forwards
you can-
kasila.
you can
With
argue
the exceptions.
To
You
be
can
honest,
argue.
you get finally game man. I think number 9 umuntu lo anokuthi kathi abantu bakhutha nje. Because to be honest ngeke
but
wona
Unava is
lidlale.
on 7 goals
With the
Which means
exception-
ngale
with the exception, yeah.
they are creating ama chances la nokuthi very
Make sure.
make sure like he's doing
Yeah.
well.
Tell
Uyabona?
one.
Because balutshwana ama team anemvelo ezothiwa striker sidinga striker. Uyabona?
Mina
Ungakhuluma la beDynamo bawutsho ukuthi you are creating more chances but you can't convert them.
exactly
Uyabona? Uhambe futhi platinum la bathi you are creating but you can't convert.
but from the
Yeah,
games
well-
that I've watched and creativity lesikhuluma there is no creativity
Maybe creative but ingekho
hayi ulalukana nje ukuthi umuntu esikwe ibhola eseseli so creativity nana Jay.
Urufuna i-one on one nje. Yokuthi umuntu efike ebe yedwa nje.
Jay, you should watch ibhola and enjoy ukuthi yabona ku-mid siyakhala. Lapha kuyahanjwa la. Yabona ama-striker because i-striker obviously i-conversion rate kuyachiyana. But if you get 4 chances, now you can score 2, put it 2. You understand? Or especially 1, or put it 3. Not the whole game, the whole entire 90 minutes, you have Jane total
2 chances.
2 is too much. My game, clear cut chances. I only saw a clear cut.
Very clear cut.
Clear cut just from all the 7 and game 8 and la eluvivi which again in the CP. Ngabona ekhuthwe ngo
eSimba leyana
eMoz. Wakhutha waphuma view 1 wakhutha usho mlano eMoz la. Not Moz, weSimba striker. That is the only clear cut chance I've seen. It tells you a story. I1v1.
So far
Topona ama-v1 wakhumbula usowabonile iwapi. I1v1 umuntu upasiwe waphuma wakhaya nalokho. Now I think uzavuma uthi that's the only chance. That's the only view. It tells you akuna creativity bra. Ama-strikers yebo ungatsho ukuthi lapha la but nje even wena clear cut lawo nje even I think the issue is creative midfielder. I see. Even ungacheka lana okhala ngayo igoli yana sithi goal of the lokuzeni. Sithi so ihlisiba icontent. Ngayibona.
Awayibona la chaywa ndo.
Wacha umuntu ekhashana
long range.
So creativity nje akula creativity. Uthi umuntu kuya rate so 1 2 ukuthi
fake ukuthi asabi.
Zimbabwe siyakhala. I think you should esiliyayo ekhona creative midfielders ongamqamba kathi ku league yonke uthi you are creators even bani. The whole of the league pool of players that are there. Ongamqamba wonke obhilliard bonke bafayile bekhona aba create. Usumbonile ucreators ukuthi I midfield yakhala. Umuntu uzamayo but maybe enceke yasokusiya quality.
Manje ku-billiard manje kurong. Kukhona ubhilliard wabona kwanika umuntu vele la lokuthi wena is easy to miss yeah.
Oh, it's easy to score than to miss. You have my chance mnengi wafuna but to be maluchwana.
Maluchwana
to be honest.
I-result yabitshengisa vele njengoba ama 0-0 1-1.
You understand?
Very league yethu vele iyona la ama results.
7 draws bra. Ama 0-0 2 ama 0-0. And from Scotland 0-0 the Kariba. Isimba Bora the Moz 0. And those are the teams that you expect ukuthi ama creative upline.
Bafihla abantu amakhethi. Abantu bafihla amakhethi.
Mfana lo Irenda McKinnon angazi this season uhamba njani but is one midfielder that I've seen ukuthi he can unlock he can unlock ama defense but this year even the other day wangene isub singazi igame le uthi badlale njani but my striker at least ngabona ilihlo reason ngohle
he's doing well.
That one is a striker bro.
This is
reason
he's doing well.
Engathola sibili ama chances
sengafika la ubo 7 6 kona.
That one is a striker bro. Macheke ilogo yakho nje uthi
imenjani.
Imoz still on top 18 points. That's 3 point gap the Simba Bora. Third is Ngezi on 15 Ngezi the Simba. Ngezi phela ibuya singayinanzelele yabona.
Kompa 15.
Sikona mba.
Ngezi 15.
Just one slip up kuphela sihamba.
Scotland sisala 13. So ungacheka sebeyichiya nge5 points. Imoz. Then ibottom 4.
Ayafiwa. Ayafiwa one winne ebhayiza isiphansi.
Ndoda. Ewedala was the Caps the chicken in.
Ndoda. Inkukhu isengozini.
check 13 points from triangle uziye kuma kunkukhu. There's only a difference at 3 points. Phansi phela laba songarelegate amanye ama-team phela.
Njengadisi yani.
The Caps, Chicken in Dynamos, the Caps zibambene. So from 13, 14, 15.
Kona mama ufubona ikhwekhwe yangikhonile egamini.
Then i-game lesiza abayithathela ama-points.
Sebethathela
Abayithathela like 3 points there.
But le Renters lokisa le game in end. So
Yiyo phela igame bayinike i-Renters lana. That one is obvious.
bazahle bethi ukuva.
Kumele beyinike one 3 point, 3 goal, 3. Kumele be-update nje just. Akula game iningi laba. But iyakutshengisa ithi phansi.
Ukuthi kuyafiwa pha.
Serious kuyahanjwa. And this week Jay we've got iLokhuzeni.
How many week?
Yapuyeda from Wednesday this week. Wednesday to
Saturday
and Sunday. Was to the ama-fixtures
Mlawo.
this week.
Mlawo aqala nge-Wednesday mhla ka-30 April. We have iKwekwe United taking on Simba Bora, and Kwekwe is home this time around. Sikwazi ukuthi iKwekwe home yenza into zayo.
So match day 9, huh?
Match day 9, yes. Match day 9. Kwekwe is at home against Simba Bora. Then Triangle United is home against Kariba. And another one that plays.
That's what Gaga's for prediction.
Farmer predictions, all right.
That's some of my predictions.
Kwekwe Simba.
Simba. Let's draw.
I'm like give it to Simba Bora straight to.
Now I'll go for a draw. A Kwekwe United. Triangle United against Kariba.
It draw for Kariba. I think they draw.
Draw.
Ngendlela i-triangle edlala from Genesis. I give it to triangle.
I'll give it to triangle.
I'm giving it to triangle. And since Mangombe they're doing
ukuthi iKariba yona ihlohle kani unzima ubani lokho angazi i-defense yabo good.
Uyazedlwa kayo.
Isengaphela 1-0. Lingaphela 1-0.
I'm giving to triangle 1-0.
And then Greenfield is entertaining Dynamos on Wednesday again.
Yeah, I'm giving to Greenfield.
With the way Dynamos is 3 points to Greenfield. 3 points to Greenfield.
Then Ngezi is taking on Nyata on Wednesday again.
Ngezi
takes it.
Ngezi
takes it
straight. 3 points.
Some years ago, this would have been a good game. Caps United against FC Platinum.
So it was some years ago. Even now, it's still a good game.
It's still a good game.
This one is still a good game, bro.
Given the win here, Caps United, I think they sebe postegile labo mbichana, and so
Platinum ngana ma-draw
I
special.
give the draw.
I say straight draw.
Straight draw.
This
time around, I give a win to United.
Caps.
Yes.
Wanna we win where Yata bro.
It's a straight draw.
This one is draw.
This one is a draw.
Alright.
Because umapeza la ngeke vume vele.
This one is
Caps pressure ku Caps vele draw you they play. It will be
Amboli
good.
bedliwa.
Inkukhu is taking on the Wi-Fi boys. Chicken against Chelo 1. Yeah.
Akunyo draw no.
It's another draw.
It's another draw. It's another draw.
Siyangaphi she? Menzi. Kuya ile ndaba la futhi. Ngithe Wednesday. Siyangaphi BF or
Eluve.
But game yiko kule Wi-Fi. Pura Wednesday kungani.
Yeah. Ipore chaza Eluve.
Basipha kahle. Let's go cover Island. Basipha kahle, let's go cover Island.
Unofuna Island?
Yeah. But igame echaza yani ile ethelwana.
I-Wi-Fi boys ngiyayibona. But ngifuna ubona
iBigit.
Oh.
Because most likely I would give it Island Bigita.
Island is
Island is taking.
Ngifuna ubona 3 points nje. Because chicken ile tell one I'm seeing love.
I'm seeing love it through.
I don't think ukuthi there won't be anything
interesting ukuchaza webora nje lidlalo lapha.
So it's double header this week.
Yeah, then Scotland on Thursday they're taking on
Wednesday and Thursday.
Yes, Wednesday and Thursday. Scotland is playing Herentals. Scotland is home. This one.
Scotland.
Yeah, we in Scotland.
Scotland. I give it to Scotland.
Yeah, we in
give it to
Scotland.
Yeah.
Then the
But
last
it's a
one on
tricky one.
Thursday is Moors taking on Manica Diamonds.
Obviously, Moses
Moses.
opening it.
Moses, I give it to Moses.
Hey,
Yeah, I'm giving it to
Moses
Moses.
stretching elite
yayo.
Because Imanika away.
Yeah,
I'm
should
saying-
I get into match day 10?
Yeah,
Weekend matches.
Weekend fixtures.
Weekend fixtures. We have Yata entertaining Highlanders on Saturday, 3 May. Yeah.
Yata. I didn't
Yeah.
33 points.
I withdraw.
Withdraw. I would give it a draw as well.
This is the first 3 points for Islanders away.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
gonna give it a straight.
And the one say confident vela kudla imanika bekudlile okuzini. Yata ayada.
I'm not a straight draw.
Cause this istadium lesana seyada siyadlaleka clean.
Yeah, stadium.
Nice.
Yes,
it's
Yeah,
nice,
yeah,
it's good. Yeah.
siyadlaleka. Islanders ya 33 points.
33 points. And then we have Ikaripa playing Capes United on Saturday as well.
Draw.
Karipa Caps.
Ikaripa home.
Karipa withdraw there.
Aye.
Yeah.
Withdraw there. Away.
They money draw. Da.
Okay. And then another good game to look forward to is FC Platinum against Ngezi Emandava.
1-1.
Lovely draw.
Emandava.
1-1.
It's a lovely
1-1.
draw.
Yeah.
Aye, 1-1.
I lovely
Lovely
draw.
draw.
Aye, 1-1.
Yeah. And then Tail1 takes on Pikita Minerals on Saturday again.
Tell 1-2. Pikita 0.
Tell one away.
Tail1 home.
It was straight win.
Straight win.
2 or 3 not.
Straight win.
I think another game to watch would be Simba Pora against Green Fuel.
Simba.
Simba Pora home.
Simba win.
in
Simba
1
win.
not.
Then Manica Diamonds entertains Kwekwe United.
This is Sunday.
So we Sunday, yes.
Mhlaka 4.
Mhla 4 May.
Manika.
Manica, yeah.
Ovi quick.
Kwekwe usually my away.
Quick away. Ayidlala
I
ishaya.
have umntaro kachana nje kwekwe.
Leso basebela ama sponsors so sifuna
no.
futhi. Hey, khambane boring.
That's when you woke up. And then there's Chicken In taking on Moors. Chicken In
So chicken let 2 games
home.
go home.
And they have
This is their chance to take 6 points. But from
Abake
China,
most likely
wangona.
baphuma le 2
But
points.
ama game
Nxa
angkhona.
bedlalile 2 points. 1 point nxa bedlalile.
Yeah.
But proper senika ngibona imozi ubula lo chicken.
Yikho bengicho ukuthi
2-1.
ngithi kuwe la nxa bedlalile 1
I think
point.
this is the first time esabona chicken ngeSunday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Most
Yeah,
likely
they
Chicken
khutwa le.
Chicken In Sunday against Moors. And then we have
Nansi
Harare
game
Derby.
nje.
The Harare Derby. Dynamo taking on Scotland on Sunday.
If yes, Italy was like
Akahanjwa.
but game le ya.
Ale mnandi.
Yeah, they have a reason to play. Yeah.
If Italy was adliwa but the game le.
Mnandi.
I is the one to look out for.
Yeah.
But I see Scotland
Scotland taking it.
ngama troubles nje.
Ale Dynamo
Dynamos.
labo we pressure
Pressure
balayo.
balayo.
So lami
Obviously,
I
if
think-
you are Dynamos, you know what it means to
them,
Scotland. Yeah. And then the last one to play would be on Monday, on the 5th of May. Herentals taking on Triangle United.
So yabona ama fixture ayendlela aba fixa ngayo. So we now need a game ebusuku. We now need games ebusuku.
Yeah.
mind you ebusuku be national
CP
sports
step.
ayi.
Yeah.
National sports ayisebenzi.
No, even APF or Kaira.
APF
I know when I'm game like Wednesday.
Eh.
Cabanga, we've got this week. Basing that game, not even go with not even one whatsoever. This week we've got 2 games. Imagine umuntu ohlakaniphile business wazocabanga ethi Chicken In 3 eluvivi. Islanders ngo 7.
Especially Wednesday.
Wednesday game again. Ethi Islanders ngo 7 eBF.
That's a rather thing.
Ngoba 9 services chayisile services phumule labe sediphelile eBF. You understand?
Yeah.
Ipoint engiyo.
Alright, business wise perfect.
But it shows
But
direction omele besithathe.
isiyekhona lapho okay.
Not ukuthi with no football at all over the weekend, no Premier League football.
Then bese
Yes,
siba
ama-divisional abekhona.
le game akhona ebe same day. So which means abantu somele eyinye adlale ngelabantu.
You understand?
Either.
We know chicken
in very uyasokusizwa ngama results.
But now uhlakaniphile uyathi chicken in ngo3 ngo5 seliphelile preparing to go eBF ngo7. Understand?
Besuka ngale sesiya ngale.
It makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Usibone nje ama floodlights ekesibili.
Ayese
manje ngawona ama floodlights.
Acicha
uyakhuluma nabozisa nje ivula ama generate. These days kula masola nje.
Besomele ukufaka amasola.
These days kula masola mdala.
Are besomele ukufaka amasola especially ama lights.
Kare wehlukane elizweni leni madoda. Nje uyabona ndazula amabhola. Uyabona ubhota nje uyabe bukela iSundowns ngo3. Mbayimba iPirates ngadlala ngo8 umbone
sesekhona ngale.
Sese ona
into zona lezenza ukuthi
lawo bake becabanga business wise. Even vele ngabe thola phuma on TV, you schedule it for TV. Ukwazi ukuthi ibhola ngo3 siyabona chicken ngo7 siyabona island. Even Harare you structure it like that. Understand? It makes sense.
Angazi ukuthi waphela ukuthi national sports bayabawuzama ukudla amabhore ebusuku.
It's nice because into lehlala sikhuma ngayo let these be events. Akona ukuthi just another 90 minutes. Imagine island idlala ngo7.
Kuyagcwele
business is even in town.
Ngoba
i-situation esingayenzakala Wednesday emsebenzini kubo Asha what abantu babali
anjabo abantu bafika ukele team yabo dala
abantu babadala bacina nje
because bakwazi bengayikhutha Wednesday weekend aba away
there few who travel
very few
even though eGweru bekugcwela bahambile asikwazi bahambile
ungakhohlwa futhi i-charter eGweru
yike kusho ukuthi eGweru island yabila ama support available. You understand? Imagine isikhona eBF and this is the only chance and after this year away
bese beyibona futhi next week and they will be staffed
abazami there was an issue esingayibonanga a positive issue umfana lona uTawanda udlala ku Motherwell eScotland proper Scotland not Scotland Scotland dikani
Wese versus Rangers
versus big team
yangale ezibambile is doing well
all of the season eteamini yami
it's a positive plus athi nguye futhi against kuma Warriors owafaka icross ile yahluhlwa umfala
uTawanda wangene isapha
wangene isapha
uTawanda ibizo kumbele ibizo
mekuyi uTawanda Chiriyo
yabona izinto esizivunayo positive things ama players adlala phandle akwazi ukubuyeza nokhona nothi afuna
uyancenga umuntu uTebu ebhore
endawo outing ukuthi uzumlando yemboni iresult lakhe liyazikhuluma down mfana nesithini
what we've been saying
because mina ngiyancenga ukuthi che ubuya uzodlalela izizwe lakho
mina ngazi kumbe thina ithi sibona different or because unga-check-up from ilokhuzena naleyana anibathi babe successful naleyana yabo Nqobile Magwizi makhenisa i-trip yabo la unga-check-a nje abantu i-comment endlela bekhomenta ngayo ngani oyinto wakhona bona bayakuthanda ukuthi behambe beyencenga abafana labana abadlala ngani
amajita adlala-ke lapha
inkinga ukuthi yona leyana phela ukuthi uzothi lo udlala iManchester abantu they will be excited ngento zona leziya abasela ndaba laba abala wena sebekholisa konke alo udlala iWolves lo udlalelani uyabona iexcitement yiyo yona le yabikhulu ukuthi abafana uTrey ngubani lo uTrey Nyoni lo uyabona konke eLiverpool uyabona wonke umuntu uvela uyabefuna konkani besisa ngasela lokhwana ukuthi sizigrumele la ehambe ngalo wabomnethi uyabona
mina yes I understand because Zimbabwe is all over the world
abanye bazayibona
but Jay wena aren't you know ukuthi mina eMzimbabwe raise your hand singadingi phela ukuthi sesikulanda raise your hand ukuthi okay I'm Zimbabwean vele mina
services ami
I want to play for my country
manje kuyafana uBoateng lona wathi hayi mina ngifuna
eGhana you understand you don't need
imagine play nje
president association
ukuthi ebuye
ethatha trip edlalisa imali yelizwe
yikho bakuyala ngoEthiopia lokwane sithi ungafuniyo ngidlala phandle nxa ungafuneki sithatha abalapha abaserious
understand. You understand? Jake, I tell you, umuntu oncengiweyo to play for a national team umuntu like umunethe even i-effort ayifaka there's a difference. Don't ever tell me I'm a superstar but we've got superstars here. Khathi sikhuluma ngomfana lo weMozi ukhipha lo. Imagine uMapisa give him a chance. Uyabona? Give him a chance. You'll be make Jake uyakwenzela ezinye izinto.
Yiko ngikutsho ukuthi yi-difference yethu nje abantu ukuthi abantu kade sibe-excited ngento zona lezi ukuthi lo udlala ku-Wolves lo udlala kubani uyabona.
I'll never support. On that note, we've come to the end of this week's episode. What an exciting episode. We look forward to the double header over the weekend. And a lot singers amafixture abafazi abomama. Please guys, remember to like, subscribe, share, and we like what's happening, engaging comment section lapana. It's nice. Keep on supporting Pass and Move, your number one soccer podcast in the land. If we have got an issue, usnige kunamanye issues esingabambi sharp, we are still hayi lana issue lebamba ngane li support iScotland but sivunyelwe ungafanga mina mebula chief supporter wena wena supporter aloka support is a player, a professional footballer sivunyelwe. But we mustn't be biased. We're not biased. We say it as it is. Okunye is our own opinions. Aso we pass and my opinion is our way. Kuba ngu-arch the opinion yakhe. Aso we pass. You understand? But khona kana nje sitshela ukuthi issues like this ngaphondo ukwazi ukuthi wathakle sikhulume ngayo. Siyakwazi ukukhuluma ngayo and asiyekeli ukukhuluma ngayo. Otherwise it's been an exciting episode as always.
Bajele this week bakuthola ngala bafuna ukukhuluma phela sibe
umenzi uthe awumenzi nje disappoint umenzi ufuna eluveve uchaza weyile kanti
ukuthela uveve ficongela abantu
ufuna ukubona ama wifi boys free wifi this week I'm sure sabe beef for the Pass and Move special. I'm sure sabe sefa 50 siboni ibhikita mfuboni ibhikita yeah mfuboni ibhikita angayiboni ibhikita le Islanders. I'm sure sabe beef nge Wednesday then nge Sunday sabe seluvive for chicken Jay Sunday chicken le Mozi
chicken le ma games amnandi this week.
Continue supporting us guys, siyabonga kakhulu. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Cheers.